What's going on, guys? Matt Schaeffer back here with another video for you. Shocker, another Tesla, this one an X, Musaic Hi-Fi 2, and let's get right to it. So I'm really excited to share this one with you. I love how this Enclosure came out. It's probably going to be a big go-to for all the Model X's. This one here had the third row seating, so obviously we needed to come up with a solution. It had the UHFS system. So this one, how I designed it, worked out awesome. Sounds impeccable, way better than I even ever imagined. We have a 10W1 that I modded into the factory Enclosure. Now I'll overlay some pictures here so you can see how it was built. I basically chopped up the plastic and remolded the plastic to accept the 10 TW1 from JL. Fit right in, enough airspace, actually a little big, and I put the black hole stuff in there, so it has a little bit more volume, so it plays very, very low. You can see the grill that we came up with to give that factory looking design. I actually took the inspiration of that plating there from the inside of this here. It's gonna be kind of tough to see, but it's the same design. So it has the lines going up towards the corner there, the line splitting it in the middle. So again, kind of took the same idea that we have there and put it over here, kept everything matte black so it goes right in. It's all multiple layers of acrylic, so it's obviously very sturdy. You can throw stuff back here, don't have to worry about this getting damaged or going through the grill. Behind these little slots you have grill cloth, so you cannot see back there. Again, this sub enclosure is actually down firing behind this panel, so the sub is actually hovering right over the AC unit perfectly, just enough space. But it sounds really good because it's also, the sub is loading off of the floor back here, and you're getting a little bit of a dB increase of what you're hearing inside the cab. So underneath the factory storage panel here in the back, I made another cover that hides over the amplifier and the equipment to still have that OEM finish, right? You still want to be able to use this compartment. You don't want to just throw stuff over the amplifiers. Again, this is very simple. So it's just a generic PVC Sintra board that is wrapped in carpet. And of course, you can pull up from down here to get to the equipment beneath. So as far as the system goes, I mean, we really don't need to go into that much detail. You've probably, if you've seen one, you've seen all. This one, fairly simple, three-way Focal flax, all in the factory position. So you have the mids right here underneath the OEM panel. You have the tweeter custom mount into the A pillars. Again, we basically laser out an acrylic ring, so it snaps right into the factory location here. No modding necessary. No modding necessary with the adapters that we make for the grill up here. And then we have the 6-inch woofer. I'll overlay a picture so you can see behind the grill of what the flax looks like sitting behind. The two different versions of the factory system, you have the UHFS and then the regular system. Regular system consists of a 6-inch speaker here, and then you have your tweeter still in the same location. If you have the UHFS, you have an 8 here, you have a tweeter, and then you have the mid. So again, you can pretty much set it up accordingly. And of course, your UHFS, you have the subwoofer enclosure in the rear as well. All the doors fully sound treated, dash sound treated, and as far as the integration on this one, we're running everything through a JL Audio VXI amplifier. It actually sits right below the storage compartment. So here's a couple pictures of what that looks like. It's a 8-channel amp with 2 pre-outs. So the 8 channels obviously is running our front 3-ways active, fully active, and then it's running our factory rear speakers. And it has 2 preamp adjustable DSP channels, which then feed to our subwoofer amplifier. So again, when we add, say like the GL-VXI amplifier system and we're using it through the factory radio, you don't lose any kind of features within the radio. We do remove the center channel, we DSP it for the driver's seat, and you get that center image where the center channel used to be. So you have a perfect center image there with all the speakers working in conjunction with each other. For instance, if you ever sit in a car and you're in the driver's seat and you can locate any of the speakers in the car, it's not a great audio system. Quite frankly, it sucks. All of the speakers should be kind of ghosted right there in the center of the dashboard, while you have a nice wide and deep stage across the dashboard. So each person of the band has their own spot on essentially the stage, like if you're listening to the music live. And of course, guys, thank you for following my builds. Thank you for interacting with me, these videos, comments on Instagram, things like that. So you can follow us on Instagram. Here's our 3 handles. You have @TheRealMattyS, that's my personal one. You have Musaic_design, and then you have Sound Effects Home Car. Those 2 are the affiliates for our business. And then you can also check out our website. This is a great tool. So if you are interested in doing a project, it's a great tool to check out before you even contact me. It's going to have a lot of different variations of audio systems that we've completed on these vehicles, on any vehicle, right? Not just Tesla. We've done a ton of different vehicles. You can search by make, manufacturer, all that kind of stuff, system design, anything. It is a great tool, has all the build log pictures, so all the pictures that I'm overlaying here from this build, also attached with all the YouTube videos that that go with each corresponding album. So give that a look. And then also, if you want to call me, here is my number down below. This is the best number to reach me, followed by my personal email address. You can contact me these 2 avenues if you do have a idea or have questions for a build. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button and then also hit the bell. That way you are notified anytime that we drop a new video. That way you're the first to see it. And like always, guys, I'll see you for the next one.